Hi there bag builders, say hello to the new sewing pattern for the Tip Top Zipper Tote. I've made far too many as usual, and this isn't even all of them. I'm Diane from Spencer Ogg Sewing Patterns, popping on to tell you all about its features and what a versatile make it is. This multi-use unisex tote is packed with a multitude of pockets and a choice of handles, so it's really adaptable. Whether you're looking for a stylish everyday bag or a practical carry-on for travel, gym or college, or just for shopping, this pattern has got you covered. It's suitable for domestic machines and virtually any fabric. Choose to make it beautifully firm and structured, or even as a pack-away version. So stick around, because in the next couple of minutes I'm about to walk you through all the amazing features of this fun make and share some of the tester photographs too. The skill level is moderate, but if you've made a couple of bags before, I don't think you'll have any difficulty whatsoever. As usual, it's a full written pattern illustrated with colour photography throughout and provides full-size computer drafted pattern pieces which print onto A4 or US letter size, and this one also has a no print option too. So no worries if you don't have a printer or you don't want to print the supplied pattern pieces, you can make it from the easy rectangle measurements given, and they're in imperial and in metric too. So let's take a closer look at the features of this bag. On the outside, a large quick access front flat pocket that fastens with a magnetic clasp, and it's large enough for your travel documents, Kindle, even an iPad. On the back, there's a divided outer back pocket for extra handy storage for things you want close at hand, such as your phone or a book, and you can divide that how you like. It's got a secure zip top closure and a choice of grab length handles or shoulder length handles. And the ends are discreetly hidden underneath the pockets, so there's no problem if you're a messy sewer like I am. There's also an optional adjustable and detachable crossbody strap. It has a firm, sturdy base to decorate as you wish, or even add bag feet. It has an easy make box bottom method, so there's no measuring of angles. It goes together like a dream with lovely sharp corners. The bag has a wide opening, super spacious main compartment with plenty of room to hold a laptop, gym gear or college files. It's got a super snug fitted lining. On one side it has a big secure inside zip pocket for your valuables, and the bag turns through this so there are no unsightly seams or binding. There's also an inner water bottle sleeve and instructions to change it to fit your own water bottle perfectly. On the other side of the lining, there are divided inside pockets for phones, sunglasses, passports, leads, gadgets and more. The approximate finish size of the bag is in centimetres 44 by 30 by 10.5 deep, and in inches, if I remember correctly, that's 17 inches wide by 12 inches tall by 4 inches deep. But you can easily scale it up or down too. The testers loved this tote. I think it's been their favourite so far. A few of them even mentioned that it's a lovely mindful sew. There's a mix of testers and my photos throughout this video. I had to edit them down because there were just so many. Thank you testers for all your great ideas and ensuring my patterns meet the highest standards. There are just so many uses for this bag. Just change your fabrics to suit your chosen use or style. Make it in waterproof canvas for walking the mall and grabbing a coffee. Make it in oilskin or wax canvas as a grocery tote. Made in a pretty print canvas, it's a compact overnight bag or baby bag. Use it for the gym, for school or college. It easily folds a full ring binder. Make it in vinyl for a smart office bag, and it easily fits a laptop. It's perfect for travel. Will fit all airline under seat restrictions and makes a great beach bag too when you get there. Make it in quilt cottons with a layer of foam to make a sturdy craft bag that stands unaided, or make in a nylon ripstop without interfacings, and it's a super little pack-away tote for extra shopping. You can use it as a crossbody, shoulder bag or handheld tote. It's the perfect unisex design. You can get the pattern on my website now at www.spencerogg.com. It's an instant download PDF and the link is in the text below, or just head to my website directly where you'll find dozens of my bag patterns in a huge range of designs, all with easy instructions and most with videos too. Sign up to my newsletter to get all the news on new patterns and freebies as they launch. The Spencer Ogg Facebook group is also there and it's a hive of bag making knowledge. Please head on over and join. Again, the link's below. Show photos you make and ask anything you need to know about bag making. I feel really small behind all these bags. On a slightly more sombre note, just about all of your favourite designers are struggling with piracy right now. Please support independent designers by purchasing from their official sources only, or directly from the websites if you can. And this will allow us to continue to produce the patterns that you want. All the links to my social platforms can be found in my bio and in the text below. Please do subscribe here on YouTube too, where you'll find lots of my free bag making how-to tutorials and free 30-minute makes. Let me know what you think of the new tip-top zipper tote pattern, and I can't wait to see your photographs. What are you waiting for? Go sew!